Look at how excited Faith is when we 3D printed these heads with birds. So let me show you what happened. After 5 long hours of waiting for this, we came to this.
Oh yeah, it's hot. Go everyone.
So without hesitation, she took it off and wiggled it around. I took the liberty of taking out the supports. By the way, take a look at my dummy 13s, just sitting right there.
What is the comic seeds ng bird? Yeah, it's bird seeds na siya. Kana ka ang mga seeds.
They felt so excited for this. But there's still a lot of work to do. We still have to paint the whole damn thing. Look at how excited she is.